Do you know you can check Nifty levels, top gainers, IPO details and stock data directly on your WhatsApp without paying anything? Yes, this feature is available on the National Stock Exchange of India website. Today I will show you each and every chat option step by step. Hi everyone, this is Stockz. If you are a trader and want to learn more about the stock market, then subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to open the NSE WhatsApp chat, what each menu option means, and how you can actually use it in daily market tracking. Let's start. First, go to nseindia.com. On the top, you will see a banner saying WhatsApp Chatbot. Click on it. You will get a message saying you are about to leave the NSE website. Just ignore it and click OK. Then continue to WhatsApp. Now you will see a verified account NSE India with a blue tick. This confirms it's the official account. Just send a hi message. Now this is the official WhatsApp chat of NSE India. Here you can see a welcome message from NSE. It clearly says this is the official WhatsApp helpline of the National Stock Exchange of India. Below that, NSE shows the market status. So you instantly know whether the market is open or closed. Then you can see the live index values like Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Midcap Select. At the bottom, you will see a button called Main Menu. This is where all options are available. And this Main Menu button is your control panel. Select the Main Menu to view all the available options. Choose any option from the list to access detailed information. For example, if you want to check IPO details, select the IPO option and click Send. That's it. The details will appear instantly. Now I typed IPO and send the message. You can see NSE is asking me to select the IPO status. This means NSE wants to know what exactly you are looking for. For example, past issues, upcoming issues like that. So this chatbot works in step-by-step format. You don't need to type full sentences, just select the option and send it. Once you select the required IPO status, NSE will show you the relevant IPO information instantly. So here I select upcoming issues. Now you can see the message from NSE. It clearly says no upcoming IPOs at the moment. This is actually a good thing. It means you are getting real-time and official data directly from NSE. Below this message, you will see two options. One is go back and the other is go back to main menu. If you want to check another IPO related option, click go back. If you want to explore other features like market movers or stock info, click go back to main menu. You can go back or return to the main menu anytime. Now I don't want to check IPOs anymore. So I am clicking on go back to main menu. This takes me back to the main options page. From here, I can explore all other features available in the NSE WhatsApp chat. So anytime you feel stuck or you want to check something else, just come back to the main menu. Now let's move to one of the most useful options, market movers. Once I select it, NSE asks me to choose from the available options. Market movers simply means stocks that are actively moving in the market today. So after clicking market movers, NSE will show options like top gainers, top losers, most active stocks, etc. Let's select one option and see how it works. I selected top gainers and here you can see the list of top gaining stocks for today. For each stock, NSE shows LTP, which means loss traded price, price change both in rupees and percentage, trading volume and total value traded. This information helps you understand which stocks are moving strongly, where heavy buying activity is happening. Remember, this is market information, not a buy or sell suggestion. Always use your own analysis before taking any action. Again, at the bottom, you can see two options. Go back will take you to the previous market movers options and go back to main menu will take you to the main options page. Now let me show you another useful option inside market movers. Likewise, you can also check the top losers. This shows the stocks that are falling the most today. This helps you understand both sides of the market, strength and weakness. Now from market movers, I selected most active volume. This shows the stocks that are traded the most in terms of quantity today. Volume simply means how many shares are being traded. Higher volume means more participation in the stock. For each stock, NSE shows loss traded price, price change, total volume and total value traded. Again, this is only market data, not a trading recommendation. You can go back or return to the main menu anytime. Now I am done checking the market movers. So I am checking on go back to main menu. So I am clicking on go back to main menu. This brings me back to the main option screen. Let's move to the next option. I am selecting index movement. This option helps you understand how different market indices are moving right now. Here NSE shows the movement of Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and other important indices. So instead of looking at individual stocks, you can get a big picture of the market. This is very useful to understand the overall market direction, identify strength or weakness in indices and plan your trades accordingly. I selected index movement to understand how the overall market is moving. This gives a clear market overview. You can choose any index of your choice from this list. Right now I am selecting Nifty 50 and here you can see the daily snapshot of Nifty 50. Here NSE shows last traded price, percentage change, previous close, today's open price, days high, days low. You can also see 52-week high, 52-week low. This helps you understand where Nifty is trading compared to its past range. Below that, NSE shows returns over different time periods. For example, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year and 3 years. This is useful for understanding short-term movement, tracking long-term performance and building market bias. Now go back to the previous menu. Likewise, you can view the details of other indices as well. Let's just select the index you want and NSE will show you the same kind of snapshot. Now I am going back to the main menu. This brings me back to the available options. Let's check the next feature. Now I am selecting stock info. NSE is asking me to type the stock symbol. For example, if you want details of Reliance, you should type Reliance. Infosys means Infi. Let me enter a stock symbol and show you the details. Now I have entered the stock symbol Infi and here you can see the complete stock snapshot of Infosys. First, notice the date and time. So you know exactly when this data was updated. Here NSE shows last traded price, percentage change, previous close, today's open price, days high, days low. You can also see 52-week high, 52-week low, total traded value for the day. Below that, free float market cap, deliverable quantity percentage, margin rate, face value. All this data comes directly from NSE. If you want more details, you can even open the stock directly on the NSE website from here. In the same way, you can check details of any listed stock. Just type the symbol and get the data instantly. Let's go back to the main menu. From here, you can explore all other options again. Let's move to the next feature. Now I am selecting investor query. This option is useful for investor related questions and information. Here you can find answers related to investor related questions. Now inside investor query, you can see multiple support related options. These are mainly for investor help and complaints, account and broker issues, charges and claims, fraud and scam reporting, NSE alerts and notifications, IPO related queries, general help and guidance. So this section is useful if you have any issue with the broker, any doubt about charges, or if you want to report a fraud or scam. This is more about support and safety, not about trading or market analysis. If you don't need this, you click go back to the main menu. Investor query is mainly for complaints, alerts and guidance. You can choose the option you need or go back to the main menu. Now I am going back to the main menu. Let's move to the next section. Now I am selecting market turnover. This option shows the total value of trading happening in the market. Market turnover means how much money is being traded in the market today. Higher turnover usually means more participation and more activity. Let's see what details NSE shows here. I am selecting market turnover to see how active the market is. Now inside market turnover, NSE is showing different market segments. You can see options like equity, equity futures, equity options, currency futures and options, commodity futures and options, and mutual funds. This helps you understand where the maximum trading activity is happening, not just in stocks, but across all segments of the market. You can select any segment you want to check its turnover details. Now from the market turnover options, I am selecting equity. This will show the total turnover in the equity market. Equity turnover means total value of shares traded today in the stock market. This helps you understand how active the cash market is. Let's see what details NSE shows here. I selected equity to check how active the stock market is today. Now, after selecting equity, NSE is showing the equity market turnover details. Here, NSE shows total turnover value in rupees, total volume traded, number of trades executed, average trade value, and the percentage change compared to the previous day. This helps you understand how active the equity market is, whether participation is increasing or decreasing, and overall market interest for the day. Now let's move back to the main menu. Now I'm going back to the main menu. Let's check the next feature. Now I am selecting market statistics. This section shows the overall statistics of the market. Market statistics give you a summary of market data like how many stocks are advancing or declining. It helps you understand the market breadth. Here you can see total stocks traded in the market, advance which means stocks that are going up, declines which means stocks that are going down, unchanged stocks, how many stocks made 52-week highs and how many stocks made 52 weeks low. This helps you understand overall market mood. For example, if advances are more than declines, the market is broadly positive. Now I am going back to the main menu. From the main menu, I am selecting feedback. This option allows you to share your feedback directly with NSE. If you have any suggestions, any issues or ideas to improve this service, you can share them directly through this option. This feedback goes to NSE, so it helps them improve the platform. I am selecting feedback to share suggestions directly with NSE. Now after selecting feedback, NSE is asking me to rate this conversation. You can choose great if you are satisfied or needs improvement if you feel something can be better. This feedback gives directly to NSE, so it helps them improve their WhatsApp service. And if you want to explore other options again, you can simply go back to the main menu. So that's it, friends. This is how you can use the new NSE WhatsApp chatbot to check official market data directly on your phone. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to learn stocks and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Trade Smart. See you in the next one.